Hi everyone, I am Nico71 and welcome to this video where I will review a prototype of EnBo PU battery box from Phondly. This battery box aims to replace the battery pack for the powered hub with a rechargeable lithium-ion. If you know the power-up, you know that LEGO doesn't produce any rechargeable battery with this hub. You can of course use rechargeable NEMH battery or even alkaline one, but all have their drawbacks. The first has a lower voltage and the second, despite the good performance, are not rechargeable, which is not very good for your wallet. So, the EnBo PU battery box from Phondly aims to solve this problem with a rechargeable battery and stable voltage. Prototype has been said by Phondly, a Hungarian maker. It's a prototype for now, but he plans to launch a Kickstarter campaign soon to mass produce it. The design and material will be changed for the series, but let's talk first about this prototype. Prototypes come in 3D printed enclosure where the 2040 mAh lithium-ion battery are for a total capacity of 14.5 Wh. USB charging port is a Type-C and support 2 ampere fast charge, which is very handy as many people have this type of charger with their smartphone. A small light is present behind a hole to display the status of the battery. On the specification, the lithium-ion battery has the advantages to have a very stable voltage compared to the other solution. You can see here a test by Philo about the battery voltage on repeating cycle and rising time depending on the cycle. You can see that the EnBo PU battery box has a lower capacity compared to alkaline or NEMH, but a better efficiency over the time. The battery box can handle 5 ampere power on demand and are equipped with built-in battery protection for overcharge, over-discharge and overcurrent. Let's test on my tracked carrier, where I need 2 battery packs. The version I have is one with clips and not the screw, but Phondly plan to release as well a screwed version for the hub, which has not the clip version. The battery box is a bit tight to insert and to remove, but the clips work fine. You will save 18 grams compared to the weight of the original battery, which is not too much, but at least it is not heavier. Regarding the functioning, it works in the same way as LEGO, insert the battery, power on the hub, and that's all. I have not noticed any difference with my regular alkaline battery. I have not the time to test over a long period, but from my perspective, it has the same performance as strong alkaline battery with the advantages to be rechargeable. So, let's sum up my opinion and the future change upcoming for the Kickstarter campaign. First, this is what I am waiting for a long time. I do not understand why LEGO do not propose this option. They propose a rechargeable battery for the whole power function system, but with a dedicated charger which were expensive, but nothing for the powered up system. It is very handy to have a compatible and rechargeable battery with standard USB-C fast charger. It works as expected, are plug and play without the need to take care of the battery anymore. Regarding the future production, Phondly plan to make a Kickstarter campaign to launch the EnBo PU Battery Pack with some change on the design and the material. The material will be in Ingitech ABS plastic, the LED light will be moved in a small hole in the Phondly logo, and the shape will be changed, with a curve and a side for a better removal. And it will have 2 cover options, with clips or with the screw depending on your powered hub. I do not know the retail price for now, but I expected it will not be too much in order to be competitive against cheap alkaline battery. In any way, it's a perfect solution if you plan to build and play a lot with your powered up. I will be a baker for sure. We have done for today. Thanks for your attention. You can find all the link you need in the description, with the link of the Kickstarter campaign as soon as it is launched, but also the Phondly website and your YouTube channel where you can see his work. You can of course comment and ask questions here if you want. If you are new on my channel, I put a recommended video and a playlist to discover my work. See you next time for a new video. Take care, play well, bye.